1.
I'm Paul Richards. I'm a director of my own consulting company helping organisations make effective digital transformation, and as part of that I'm very keen to ensure that organisations are well aware of the importance of cyber security. I've just come out of attending the Cyber Incident Planning and Response course, a one-day course, a mixture of participants which brought a great amount of different ideas and thinking and challenge. Found the course very useful, very informal, that we were able to share together. The course tutor created a very good atmosphere. I've come away with a great deal of insight in terms of some of the key challenges and thinking that I need to help organisations with as they themselves prepare to be more effective in terms of their preparation for what for many companies will be a case of when, not if. Therefore, I would thoroughly recommend this course to other organisations, whether you're a consultancy or whether you're within an organisation itself. Thank you.